Hello and welcome to another video here on the channel Just Cool Ideas, and today we want to show you ideas for beds with platforms. Ideas for you to have at home. Beds with platforms are a good way to define the bedroom area, especially if you lives in a loft space or small space, with just one room to decorate your room and turn it into a pleasant resting place with enough space for circulation. Invest in bed platforms. They are usually rectangular structures that serve as support of the mattress, developed at a higher level of the mattress. This piece helps to enhance the bed as the main piece of the room. Optimizes the space. Besides being a great option to replace traditional beds, bed platforms are an excellent alternative to decorate rooms with modernity and intelligence. This type of bed stands out for its simplicity and style. With varied models and on different levels, the bed platforms can have a compact and dynamic design adaptable to the proposed room and most decorating styles, from contemporary to classic. And in a matter of practicality, platform beds are an excellent alternative for smaller environments and with little space for storage. Some models can be designed with drawers underneath or niche for storage. They are perfect choices to save space for modern life, combining practicality and style. I hope I helped you with these inspirations. If you liked the video, leave your like and comment down here, subscribe to the channel, and if you are new here, activate the notification bell to receive more news like this every day. A big hug, and until the next meeting.